Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to purchase Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. Now we are going to start off on CoinGecko because CoinGecko has some really cool analytics and it's a nice place to stop by to check on all the top performing coins. But let's say we want to buy Dog with Hat. So we'll click on that. Now, once you are here, you want to scroll down until you see this contract info section and you want to click on this little icon and that will copy the contract info. Now we want to jump over into Phantom Wallet. So make sure you have enough Solana to make the purchase and then head to swap. So the top section is the coin you are paying with and the bottom is the one you're going to receive. So you want to click over here where it says USDC and you want to paste your token info onto the search bar here, even though I can see mine right there. And that'll bring up your token. You want to click on that. And now you want to put in the amount of Solana you want to pay and it'll show you how much Dog with Hat you will receive. Now, mine will obviously say insufficient funds because as you can see, I have no Solana in this wallet, but you would just click onto that section and then there would be a review section and you would make your purchase. Always check your slippage as well. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video.